Hello, guys. Are you gonna start? Like, let's pretend there's barbecue in here. Let's pretend this is barbecue.
Yeah, that's barbecue. Barbecue. Carrot. Barbecue. Barbecue. Barbecue.
Ah! They got on fire!
Few minutes later.
I'm gonna burn the whole place down!
Balik natin. Di pa ganun na.
Uh-oh.
Few more minutes later.
I burned it down now.
Few more minutes. Hey! The customers are waiting.
I'm just
Look there,
working.
look there, look there, look there.
I'm just working.
It's been 1 hour.
Jay, si Disney, Jay,
still
ha?
working on
And why is the pond burned?
Because Sasha burned it.
Bro, that's not Sasha. Okay, okay.
I pretend there's someone named Sasha
Yeah.
working in the dishwashers. Sasha burned it. What do you mean? I did not burn that. Yes, I did. I did not. Yes, I did. Okay, boss. Thank you. Bye-bye. You do this.
The next day. The next day.
Today is Employee Month. To work on the grill. Some coal.
Be, okay na to, Be.
Oh yeah, I forgot today is Employee Month Day. I need to sign in for the picture
Saka ko
taking.
ginawa
See who's the real employee of the
ng
month.
ano. Okay na. Saka ko ginawa yung Ha?
How's it?
Hindi.
It's fine.
Papagawa din tong isa. Siyempre makikita ka niya na may ano.
Okay, next, Sasha, you're up.
Sabi ako.
Alright, Sasha, say cheese. Ching. Alright, Sasha,
Girl.
you're done now. Next, you're up, Calico. Okay, Calico. Just smile. You're last employee. Ching. Alright, Calico. Thanks for the things. Appreciating ulit.
Bantayan mo nga ito kayo.
Yes, Mama. Yes, boss.
Be! Lagi siya lumilig. Ayun, lagi mo. Yes, May.
Let's go begin.
All employees.
Okay, gagawin ko din yung kay Tori C.
All, all employees go to the court.
Baka aminin ano.
Ma'am, bigyan mo din ako.
Yes, boss? All you need to do is to look after the food. We're here for a special guest today. I got you, boss. no. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Go away from the best experience in the whole life. Shoot.
Oh.
Shoot. Get away, Milky. I know you're hungry, but you don't have enough food for
Di, wag kumano kay Snow at sa mga pusa.
Ma, si Snow ba
Milky.
to?
It's Milky, Tita Shane. And Milky's getting an arm.
Arya, ang chocolate din sa'yo.
Up. Oreo.
I did a good job.
The next day.
I just took a bath, okay? Cool, nice bath. Dress. Remove his hair clip. Brush. Gets makeup box.
EJ, eh, wala nga pala si EJ na umalis. Sorry, ano na lang sa'yo, Nutella na lang. Okay, isa kasi, nasa loob kayo.
Opo ma, opo ma.
Time to go to work.
Daan here.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Today's the results who's gonna be the best employee. And I'm gonna get my promotion. I'm ready. Promotion. Now start the grill. Ooh, fire. There's no more meat left. I should go check some of it. There's meat.
Napunta kayo nung ano, kay ano, siya dati niyang driver. Pero hindi. Ano ba ginawa mo yun?
Thanks so much for making the grill. Thanks, boss, for the confirmation. And who's getting the results? We're gonna know in the fourth. Okay. Boss is gone. Let's continue working. Freshly grilled cheeseburger.
Nakasakit yung water mo dyan.
You're welcome.
Sorry. Nakasakit, Tori.
Apa. Ay, hindi po.
Oh, mainit pa, halagay mo na dyan. Anuin mo yung ano.
Kaso tinatara ito eh. Alas ang bukas
Time
niya.
to finish this.
Alas 6.
Thanks, Sasha. Thanks. So, are you enjoying the meal? Please pay up, sir.
Sure.
Galing ka rito. Pwede ka
Thank you so much. Here you go, Calico. Change, please. Just wait. Here's your change.
Tali mapana.
See you next time, sir. Thank you for buying. Bye.
Yes po.
Let's put it on Sasha.
Bira lang bata ba?
Nasa palingki.
Calico.
Wala na akong takiyo.
Dishwasher.
Walang pearl. Wala kahit walang pearl.
It needs a better work experience.
Pag walang pearl,
Da-da-ding. All employees report to the principal's, manager's office. Okay, vice manager. Sasha, go.
Bro.
Last scene, okay? Okay, everybody, line up. The first one to go is